Hey everybody, thank you for watching. This is Precious and Jacob. Jacob is working on his online course at home for school, and Precious is always part of the program, right? You don't want to be left out? Yeah. What are you doing? Hey, what you doing? Who is that handsome boy? Could that be Precious? Is that Precious? Yeah. Mwah. Kiss. Mwah.
Jacob,
Mwah.
look at my new avatar. Let me
He's
see.
doing schoolwork. He's doing schoolwork. Turn it.
I want to show him the
You
one.
have
What
to
do you
eat
think?
breakfast. Come sit down and eat a banana, Gianni.
Hi, Zoe. Oh, bless you. What you doing? Just being cute. Mm-hmm.